Paris is in danger, a villain's on the loose. A Ladybug and Cat Noir are coming to the rescue with their miraculous powers and hearts so bright. They'll save the day and set things right. Ladybug and Cat Noir, heroes in the night, fighting evil with all their might. Lucky charm and cataclysm, their powers so grand, protecting Paris hand in hand. Marinette's a hero with a secret disguise. Adrien's cat noir with mischievous eyes. Together they're strong, a perfect team, saving the city, living out a dream. Ladybug and Cat Noir, heroes in the night, fighting evil with all their might. Lucky charm and cataclysm, their power so grand, protecting Paris hand in hand. Kwamis flying, darkness spreads, but Ladybug's magic fills our heads. With teamwork and courage, they'll always prevail. The heroes of Paris without fail. Ladybug and Cat Noir, heroes in the night, fighting evil with all their might. Lucky charm and cataclysm, their power so grand, protecting Paris hand in hand. Miraculous, simply the best, saving the city, putting villains to the test. Ladybug and Cat Noir, the heroes of Paris forevermore. Music ends with a final, playful beeping sound effect and a cheerful pound it.